Hello everyone, welcome to Aerylab. This video will teach you how to use the perfect replacement feature. I have prepared 3 examples. Let's take a look. Select the In Paint tool and upload the image you want to edit into the box. Click Edit Mask. Paint a mask over the part you want to replace. For example, if I want to replace the style of the ottoman, I mask the ottoman and click Confirm. The perfect replacement feature usually disables prompts and templates, so only upload your reference image. Note, when using Perfect Replace, the reference image content must exactly match what you want to generate. If you want to generate an ottoman, the reference image must be a picture of just that ottoman, with no other elements interfering. Click Generate, and after a short wait, ottoman identical to the reference image, complete with a very realistic shadow. Upload the image you want to edit into the box. Click Edit Mask. Here I mask the floor area. Note, if you want to generate a new floor, you must also crop your reference image, so it contains only the floor area, exactly matching the part to be generated. Click Generate, and after a short wait, the new image is generated. Upload the image you want to edit into the box. Click Edit Mask. Draw the mask. Here I want to replace the building precisely, so I upload a reference image that contains only the building. Click Generate, and after a short wait, the new image is generated. The results look great. Give it a try yourself.